Alright, this is the Orochi. It has Bluetooth wireless and the hyperspeed by the Razer. So let's check it out. Comes with one lithium battery, and it comes with a mouse. We'll compare the weight. See how much this little guy weighs. This guy weighs 0.14.8, so let's put it in. So it's like that, and pop the dongle, and that's it. And this weighs 72 with the lithium battery. Not bad. No, 71.9. That's really light. Let's try it with the. Let's try with the. Let's look with this one. $64.9, even lighter. And it comes with full PTFE, and we're gonna weigh it the G305. 82. Very light. Really light. Has like one lithium battery. So that's the dongle. It has Bluetooth. So noise on the G305. First thing you notice with the Orochi is you have D-pad buttons, so it's pretty quick. I'm using wireless, so it's 400, 800, 1600. 1600 is optimal for office use, but for gaming, I recommend 400, 800. This is too much. This is like, if you're like double screen, if you're on 4K, this is alright. But 1600 is pretty good for most office use, so that's pretty cool. Open it up. Performance. There's 5 stages. I don't need 5 stages. I can just do a 3 or 2. 3. There should be a desktop version, and so these 3 are fine with me. That's optimal, but you could like make it even more optimal because it's 600. So up to you. I think I'll do 600 gaming. Give that a shot. And test it out. I think my settings at 500. That's my optimum. But yeah, you can calibrate it for tracking distance, for surface, maybe 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter. It's up to you. Power, it's your sleep mode. Yeah, and I got a white one. Then you can program the side buttons. There's not really any color to it. The only thing it does is the mouse turns green. If it's Bluetooth, it'll be blue. So let's get in game and try it out. It's not bad. I'm not sure I'm more accurate. It feels like... There's the guy. Ah, he got me. So yeah.